Dear viewers and subscribers, welcome again to our YouTube channel Max the Service. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive all notifications regarding any video we are uploading on this channel. So, in this session, we will learn how to create new project on local machine and upload your local project, I mean local created repository on GitHub. So let's start. Okay, we start creating new directory and adding some files. We can add our already created demo project and then directory which will be called repo. When we will upload or sync with that directory on GitHub, then that will be called a repo. Okay, so we can say it a local repository. Let me create make dir make directory like demo. Uh, sorry, make dir demo. Okay, let me check. We have created demo. Here you can see we have created demo, and let's move into it. Cd demo, and here you can see ls. Sorry, there is no file only we have even there are no any directory in demo. Okay, so clear it. Now we can create a file README, but because we have created Hello World project as a demo, and we will be going with that project, we will complete all the Git and GitHub tutorial. Any other, if we are working on DevOps, we are working with Spring Boot, we will be carry on same project so that anyone already subscribed and want to go through all the tutorial and learn from A to Z, then that will be would be helpful for him. So let me create demo like here we can download demo. Yeah, here we have. Just let me copy all the content of this project and go into Max the Service demo. Here you can see there is no any kind of file, and just I have copied. And now if I check, sorry, yes, here you can see all the files we already have. Even we don't have readme file, we can create like uh, touch readme.md, and if we again run command ls, we also have readme.md. Now what we will do, because now we have local repo demo. First I will move into we are already in demo. We will get as git init, and let me go with the branch name like what should it be, uh, we can say demo init demo. Okay, so this local, sorry, we again have dir another demo. What, let me remove is the directory, let me remove that one. Let me remove that one. Okay, we have created demo, and we have created readme file apart from rest of demo project. We copy and pasted here, and now we want to upload. We want to sync this local repo with our GitHub repo, And for that, you must know that first we have to check git status. You can see not a git repository, and then I will initiate if I go with dir, there must be okay, git init. First of all, I have to initialize this demo. Now it's a local repo, okay. And if I go to check git status, here you can see number of files we have to also add into staging. Then once these are moved after add command to staging, then we can push to upload these local repo and apart from these files on GitHub. Okay, then I have to go with git add dot. Dot mean everything. Now I will check status. Here you can see now these all these files are in staging. And now I will commit, because before committing these files are in cache. After doing commit, it will be in staging. Git commit my first commit. Commit. Okay, git status. Now you can see on branch master, nothing to commit, working tree clean. So it's mean these are on staging. And now I will just uh, set it as remote. Git remote add origin. We will write GitHub, or just we can write https github.com Shahid Hussain Abbasi, then our repo demo.git. So here you must know that this is host, okay, our host github.com, and this is Shahid Hussain Abbasi, it's a account name. Your username must be mentioned here, and then you can add your repository. So after executing this command, you will see okay, this is now added, and now I want to push it, okay. But here you will see after pushing this uh, local repo to remote, it will produce some error. Why? I will let you know after this execution. Okay, if I add git push, uh, okay, first I try with simple push. Now it will say for streaming git push set upstream origin master. Okay, now error will happen. You can see that demo.get not found under this account. Why? Because we have not created this repository on GitHub. So first I have to create this repository here. Let me create. Here is Shahid Hussain Abbasi, its account name, and now I will create new repo. Here you can just demo, okay, and repository description. It is created for max the service demonstration demo demo purpose on DevOps and Git GitHub training. Okay, training. Okay, it is public and add readme because we already have added readme. We don't need to do this, and just we will create repository. Here we can see the instruction. Okay, we already have this github.com, Shahid Hussain Abbasi, GitHub. It is saying that after creating this, you can create new repository command line and push an existing repository from the command line. So we also have executed this command. Now we need to just push. If we if we execute this command, all the code under demo, it will be published. It will be uploaded to demo repository on remote. Okay, so let refresh and see under demo. Great, you can see here is all the code we have published. We also can see the repository demo. Here is everything you have on the uh, cloud, I mean on GitHub server. Now anyone from your team, anyone else which have access on this repository can start cloning and can start working with the creating with new branch. How to create new branch and start working with it? It's a simple, after cloning, just you can switch to another branch. We will go with that command later on. So guys, we have covered how to clone, we have covered how to download. Actually this method which we have covered now, it is the same as if you are not able to clone, or even you are getting any issues with the authentication, just you can download as a zip, and later on you can go with the same method we have done, like creating your local repo, because after downloading definitely you will be having local repo, and then just you can create your new branch, and then you can push after committing and adding whatever files you have new to that repository. Okay, thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel, and I would request you to share my channel in your circle with your professional on social media, so that uh, new viewers, new students, anyone who is uh, eager to learn more Git and GitHub, and also I'm working on DevOps and also Azure, AWS. So anyone once subscribed will be getting all notification for the new videos. And again, I would like to thank you. Keep touch with me, keep in touch and watching the same channel. Thank you.